You got names for your people?
My boos.
Your boos. Hey, my boos.
Hey, boo.
Y'all finna join the B-Loves. All y'all gonna intertwine together. The B-Lovelies.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
What's up, you guys? So I'm back today with another vlog. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm on the road. I'm on my way somewhere. So yeah, Bethany is in town, and I'm about to go meet up and break bread with B-Loves. So that's what I'm doing today. Y'all know I couldn't have B coming to town without hooking her up with some of my food. Whoa, look at how close that plane is, y'all. We right by the airport. That is look crazy. Yeah, look what I made for her to try. Look at this, y'all. My millionaire's mac and cheese. Can't let her come into town and meet up with her and she don't get to taste my good. You feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna make sure she go on and get to try this. So yeah, I had to let her try my mac and cheese. You know, my mac and cheese is like my #1 seller for business, and you know, it's a star. So you know, I had to hook up some mac and cheese for her to try because I think my mac and cheese is like one of the best I've ever had. I mean, I'm just saying.
Fire, my friend.
So yeah, we on our way to the city to go meet up with her. Let's go. So we just got here. Let's go inside.
You got me?
Yeah, look who it is.
Y'all, what's up?
Hey.
I'm chilling with my girl, my foot figure live. We finna do a seafood boil, y'all.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she got the sauce cooking.
Yes, I got it cooking.
I bought mine, but I haven't tried it yet.
Really?
I've been so busy. I want to sit down and really enjoy it.
Oh yeah, well see, now you get a chance.
Oh my gosh.
First.
What? Yeah, we about to get it popping.
Oh yeah, we are.
I was like, she cannot come without trying my food.
Ooh, and your stuff is called Honey Bun Catering, huh?
Honey Bun Catering.
Ooh.
Yeah, I told you. Look at that. Y'all see it?
I'm gonna have to get my husband to taste this now.
You see it?
This is not gonna last in this house.
That is my millionaire Mac.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
That is my #1 seller right there.
Really?
#1.
Okay, y'all, here goes. Let me say grace. Heavenly Father, in the name of Jesus, I thank you for this food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, B. Right? Very complex of flavors, right? Thank you.
The cheese is on point.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna eat your food. I'm making one more bite.
Okay. Because you know we about to get it in.
Oh, yeah.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Nate gonna get this. You gonna love it.
I think that's probably Ronnie coming up the stairs. Oh my gosh.
Back and forth. Oh, yeah. This is the sauce, y'all.
Oh my gosh, you guys. There is the famous sauce. Oh my gosh, look at that. What?
Yes.
Let's get it.
Wait a minute. You want me to give you no gloves?
I don't know.
No, they give you no gloves.
Behind the scenes.
You don't want sauce?
No, because it'd be too drippy.
Okay. I didn't know they didn't want sauce. Man, I didn't think I was
Y'all see that?
Seafood boil time.
Seafood boil.
Yes.
You want the rice, baby? Oh, that's not rice.
Yeah, look at
I think we had sausages.
They're in there.
Which one was it? The one in there?
The sausages are on there.
End up change plans. Remember plan change? I don't even know why we were supposed to come out here. Yay! Hey y'all! You got names for your people?
My boos.
Your boos. Hey my boos.
Hey boo.
Y'all finna join the B-Loves. All y'all gonna intertwine together. The B-Lovelies.
Yeah, I've been eating this sauce.
We dabbing this.
This sauce. Look at this. Yeah, this sauce is good.
Yes, y'all. Y'all see me still eating.
Yes, we still doing what we look at this. Look at that. Y'all see it in the videos. You see how?
Yes, it's that.
You guys, I'm freaking full. I'm so full. You guys, I'm so full. Yo. I'm about to go to work. Let's go to work. B was so sweet. I had such a good time.
Facts.
She's so sweet, right?
Yeah.
All right.
My husband neat.
Yeah, you know, Ronnie and the hubby always bonding, talking about sports and, you know.
Facts. Need good people. We good people, y'all.
Bethany is too. I gotta go to work, y'all. So it was a good thing.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming